Fiddler is a web debugging tool that records your computer's internet traffic and helps identify issues by showing the details of requests and responses. When you encounter an issue with the Oracle EPM application, such as with Smart View, you can use Fiddler to capture the HTTPS traffic for analysis. Fiddler logs contain statistics and inspectors that help debug issues on the machine you are experiencing problems. To install Fiddler, first close all applications running on your machine. Then download Fiddler Classic from the Telerik website. Navigate to where you saved the file and run the installer. Accept the license agreement to continue. Accept the default installation directory and begin the installation. When the installation completes, close the installer dialog box. Next, launch Fiddler. We'll need to configure a few options. First, we'll remove all encoding. Open the Rules menu and then select Remove All Encodings. Next, enable HTTPS traffic decryption. From the Tools menu, click Fiddler Options and select the HTTPS tab. Select the following checkboxes: Capture HTTPS Connects and Decrypt HTTPS Traffic. If prompted to trust the Fiddler root certificate, click Yes. Click Yes to proceed with the installation of the certificate. Return to the Fiddler Options dialog box and click OK. In Fiddler Web Debugger, open the Edit menu. Then select Remove, then All Sessions, to clear out all session logs. In the bottom left of the window, make sure that the status bar displays capturing. If it does not display capturing, open the File menu and then select Capture Traffic. You can also press the F12 key on your keyboard. Minimize Fiddler, do not close it. It's time to reproduce your Smart View issue. Launch Smart View and perform the steps that might have caused the issue you ran into. When finished, minimize Smart View and return to the Fiddler window. Notice that the Sessions window now contains log entries. Let's save all of them. Open the File menu, then select Save, and then All Sessions. Save your file in a directory you can easily access. The file type should be Session Archive with a .saz extension. Now that you have the Fiddler log file, you can contact IT support for assistance. To learn more, visit docs.oracle.com.